as the date is nearing, but this is way above expectations. The partner event, wherever we go, Chennai, Cochin, here, everywhere, it's huge. So happy.
Good evening, everyone. And see, this is really, we never expected this much reception for any film in India, sir. We are very, very proud to be part of this project. And also we are prestigiously releasing this film across the world, more than 12,000 screens. And also releasing in IMAX. This is the maximum, this is the biggest release in IMAX version for any Indian film. And there are lot many what we call things there which wherein Pushpa is very special, and we humbly seek your blessings for this film, and thanks a lot for coming to this event, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So we would obviously want you to talk about your director, Saad Sukumar's, the kind of hard work he's put in this movie. What do you have to say, sir?
He is working hard for the past 3 years, and even he is working hard today also. And same with our hero Allu Arjun Garu. He is the most hard-working hero in the country we have. And I want to thank, we did this in every event, and once again I want to thank Allu Arjun Garu and Sukumar Garu for giving us this huge film. Thank you.
Sir, if you were to talk about the cast, of course.
Firstly, we need to thank all the media people who are here, sir. Thank you very much for this beautiful coverage. And also, we thank Anil Tadani, who is distributing in Hindi as well as in overseas. And also, our best friend and our mentor, Mr. Bhushan ji, who is the chairman of T-Series, is always a very strong pillar to us. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And coming to our cast and crew, see, they have done a fabulous job since 3 years. Everyone worked very, very, very hard. And our hero, a special mention for our Allu Arjun sir and Rashmika madam, who have given their best. And madam worked for more than almost 170-200 days. That's a very, very big thing. And sir did his best and he worked very, very hard. And coming to our director Sukumar sir, he is, he's still working. See, his job is not yet over, and see, he has given the best product, and we are very, very happy with that. And also, DOP Devisri Prasad Gari has given the best music. Our cameraman, Mr. Kuba, who is from Poland, he has given his best, and he completed his DA, and the work is very, very, it is very good. So, Fahad Fadl sir, he has done a fabulous job. Each and everyone, all the cast and crew, heartful thanks to each and everyone. Thank you very much, sir.
So one last thing, it's the two of you. Of course, you've joined forces and given us this and a lot of other movies. मुझे बताइए आप दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा पुष्पा की तरह है? Who's like more like Pushpa out of the two of you? Pushpa Raj. किसके अंदर ज़्यादा पुष्पा राज है?
Pushpa is one and only Allu Arjun sir.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much, sir. One last thing that you'd like to tell all the people who are watching you right now across the globe, sir.
First of all, we want to thank everyone who came for this press meet, and we're releasing Pushpa 2 on December 5th. Please come and watch in theaters, and we need all your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
One last thing, sir. We are releasing this film all across the world in around, 12,000 plus screens, and every screen, everywhere, we have all the 6 versions through this CineDubs app, and wherein you can watch any language which you like in that particular theater through CineDubs. Yeah. This is one we are introducing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Man of few words, he's like, हो गया मैंने यही बोलना था. So congratulations to you. Just a quick thing, the kind of response, because of course सब बोलते हैं distributor हैं, कैसे क्या होने वाला है. The kind of response that we've got, is this like the massivest, the biggest kind of response that any film has ever got? And before the release?
So I think it's all thanks to the swag, the suave, and the style of Allu that this film has become wildfire from fire. It's been aided by the heartthrob Rashmika, the ace director, sir, who's not here. And I really thank the producers, Maitri Movies, Ravi sir, Naveen sir for showing the confidence in me. And I hope the audiences give it all the love and make it really historic for
All
us.
I want to say is, sir, जब ये फिल्म्स का ठप्पा लग जाता है, confidence और बढ़ जाता है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes. Ooh.
Phenomenon, like Sir just said, and we are going to experience it on the big screen, not with fans, but fellow lovers of Pushpa. So it's going to be a communal experience, and I think that the biggest thing about this film is that it's bringing the entire nation together to watch something so big. And I mean, we've just seen some glimpses and we're just thrilled. So imagine the time we see the big screen and see Pushpa and Rashmika doing their thing and just, you know, ruling our hearts. And I think they're going to rule the box office.
ये ऐसा लग रहा है पुष्पा का वो हाथ वाला इम्प्रिंट इधर आया हुआ है ना, फुल वही जोन में है. Before I ask you something, एक बार सर पुष्पा वाला बनता है. झुकेगा नहीं साला, झुकेगा नहीं साला, हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
फायर नहीं, फायर है.
क्यों कर रहे हो सर? आपके वहाँ आप ही की फिल्म देखने आएंगे. What do you have to say? The kind of response the movie has got.
पहली बात तो एक बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है पिक्चर को लेके. इस तरह की पिक्चर बहुत कम बनती है जो सिनेमा घरों में लोग आ सकते हैं. तो ये पिक्चर के कारण सब लोग सिनेमा घरों में आते हैं, उससे हमें काफ़ी खुशी मिलती है. और हम चाहते हैं कि इस तरह की पिक्चर बनते रहें और एक बड़े से बड़ी मेगा से मेगा ब्लॉकबस्टर बने. और हम जरूर ये पिक्चर को रात भर पूरी 24 घंटे चलाने वाला है, ये तो श्योर है. बिकॉज इस तरह की पिक्चर रात 24 आवर चलनी चाहिए, हर जगह पे, पूरे स्टेट में, पूरे इंडिया में चलनी चाहिए.
क्या बात है सर, ये होता है अनाउंसमेंट सर के लिए एक बार
तब
जोरदार.
जाके ये पूरी वाइल्ड बन जाएगी और तब जाके पूरी और वाइल्ड बन सकती है.
बिल्कुल बनेगी सर. एंड when we have some amazing people like you इसको बैक करते हुए, इसको सपोर्ट करते हुए, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बनने वाली. सृष्टि, आई बिलीव यू आर अ थर्ड जनरेशन एग्जिबिटर, सो आपको ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस में दिख गया होगा ना क्या होने वाला है.
See, it's going to be wildfire. Sir has already said it. So it's going to be a wildfire at the cinemas. It's going to be a festival for the cinemas. I mean, we are going to have people from everywhere, every age group that's going to be excited about it. In fact, I'll tell you something that my granddad said when I told him that I'm working on Pushpa, and I showed him the song. So in this song, Pushpa does like 2 hands. So my dad was like, part 2 है ना, तो 2 हाथ यूज कर रहा है. My granddad is like, नहीं, एक झुकेगा नहीं साला, एक रुकेगा नहीं
क्या
साला.
बात है, क्या बात है. उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार.
And
Absolutely.
he is a 94-year-old exhibitor and he's excited for this one. He can't wait for it. So, you know, it's right from a child to a 94-year-old man that's excited for the film. And we are releasing it in 1300 plus screens across India and Sri Lanka. So I think it's the biggest release that we've ever had. And I think the globe is excited to experience Pushpa, the Indian superhero.
She said it. Thank you. Killer, sir, killer. Sir, talking about this association, of course, जब आप यहाँ होते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं audiences को पता होता है कि T series का साथ है तो कुछ तो बड़ा होने वाला है, कुछ तो बात है. अभी talk to us about this film and of course this association. So please.
See, we have started our relation with Maitri Movies from Pushpa 1. I did the music for that, and in this we have gone on to another association level where we are associated with Pushpa 2 also. Not in terms of music, now we are doing so much stuff with Ravi Garu and Mr. Naveen Garu, and I'm very proud to be associated with Pushpa. And everybody like Sukumar Garu I've met many times, and he's so dedicated director. Means I remember I met him in Hyderabad, and I think he was in this writing camp for Pushpa 2, and I've seen his dedication. So all the best to him. He has worked very hard on the film, and that all we can see on the big screen now. And music has become already a big blockbuster piece, and the songs are working so well all over. We all are seeing the kind of, and Rashmika, she's looking gorgeous in the song and the kind of performance she has given. And Allu Arjun Garu, you are really a wildfire, not only fire like in Pushpa 1, and all the best to you and everybody associated with the film. And I don't want to forget DSP. He has given a great music. Means, you know, after one, I know what are the challenges when you are giving another part music, and he has done a great job in terms of background music and music. So all the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. From music to blockbusters, congratulations.